morning, dear learners. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So kids, welcome to the English class. Before starting our class, first I will recite the rhyme. The name of the rhyme is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the stick. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, big fat hen. Now, my dear lovely kids, in today's class, I will tell you how to write letter J in your workbook. Okay? So, these two dots are given to you. आपके ये दो dots दिए जाएंगे. So, आपको क्या करना है? आपको letter J लिखना है. Okay? First of all, make one standing line. Then make a outward curve like this. Now make a sleeping line. So this is letter J, and similarly we will write here. First of all, make one standing line, then make a outward curve, then make a sleeping line. So this is letter J. Okay, once more we will write, make one standing line, now make a curve, now make a sleeping line. So this is letter J. Okay, make one standing line, then make a curve, and now make a sleeping line. So this is letter J. So similarly we will write here, make one standing line, then make a outward curve, and make a sleeping line. So this is letter J, and this is how you will write in your notebook. Okay kids?